Hey, welcome to the channel. So I got a drone for my birthday. I turned old this year. I want to use it for the channel and I want to do some things with it. So I'm going to take you on the beginner's first flight. I'm going to also show you my second flight. I got the drone because I think it'll be fun for the channel. And I'm also going to give you a dad joke. Okay, so here's what it is. What do ticks and the Eiffel Tower have in common? They're both Paris sites. I didn't say be good. So let's go.
Have to go through the setup. It's going to ask me to do a few things here. Says swipe to take off. Now that is all of the drone experience I have, everything that you've seen. With this Potensic Atom 2, it was pretty easy to do. I've never flown any remote control planes or helicopters. That was my first, 5 minutes maybe? So far I'm pretty impressed. It's very small. I was a little bit surprised by the size, but it's pretty darn intuitive.
I was surprised at how easy it was to get the controls of it and to be able to go and fly around. I went and to a big open field and I was able to cruise along. I stuck it in beginner mode at first, especially like that first day. This is my second day. My second day, I took it out of beginner mode and I put it into sport mode. Ooh. What that meant was it was faster. And then I went and I upped the ceiling so that I could fly higher. And then I upped the distance so I could fly out further from where I was. And what I noticed was I really like that thing. I think that it flies really well, flies very easily. I did have a mishap. But that was my own doing. Hubris. So dumb. I was like, why don't I land it in the back of my truck? Terrible idea. Later, when I'm better, but not the second day, ding dong. So live and learn. I had to replace two props on it and the screws for them. But I did that no problem because I got the Fly More kit. And so I put the new props on and then flew it right back out, filmed this video. Looks great. I noticed that with this drone as just a full-fledged beginner, I was able to get out, film, cruise around, have a good time. I love the feature where I get close to the ground and then it lands it for me. Because again, I'm a rookie, I can take that feature off later, but right now I'm still using the auto takeoff and auto land that it has. Beautiful. It has a lot more features that I want to use, like the follow me and the circle around me. I haven't used those yet, but I gotta tell you, I am really impressed with this thing. I think that if you're in the market for a drone and you're a beginner like I am, and you want to get out there and have some fun, take some footage of your camping trip or whatever, man, this will really add a lot to those family videos and stuff like that. I'm going to use it for the channel. Yes, I am going to go out and get my Part 107, the license for it. I am going to do that. But as of right now, I dig that thing. I absolutely would recommend going out and getting it. It's a whole lot less money than the DJI products, which are great. No kidding. There are other drones out there that I think are of higher quality, but they're also double and triple the cost of this Potensic. Potensic offers a great deal, a great bargain for your money. So I would, go out and get it. If you do, tell me what you think of it. I just want to say thank you for tuning into the channel. Thanks for the subscribers and everybody that leaves a comment. It helps the channel grow. The more that you comment, the more that you interact with it. And so I appreciate you watching, and I just hope that we're doing stuff that you're enjoying. It's basically what I enjoy, so if we enjoy the same things, cool. Let's hang out. And we'll see you out there on your next adventure.